Hey there, so here's Gossipgram app. So it's basically better Instagram analytics app, uh, or you can track all the additional insights. So know when your followers liked you, check out which post your followers like and which stories they watched. You can see your loyal fans. You can see who liked you the most. Uh, Discover someone blocked you. See your most and least liked posts. So what I did, I just logged in with Instagram here, and this is my account, and yeah, so then that's basically the analysis. Well, my Instagram account is not that big, so it's only 156 followers. You can see all the insights here, and it just takes some time for app to collect all the data. Then you can see specifically people's stories here. And then here's your dashboard. So you can see all the people who stopped following you, people you're not following back. 130 people who is not following you back. And then people who've seen your profile, and then then you need to upgrade here in the app, and you can see the price that it's like just $25 per year, so that's basically nothing. And also stories and stuff like that. Then there is like a menu, you have your profile, you can upgrade to Gossipgram Pro, you can contact support, log out, and all of that. So that's the app basically. I hope it was insightful for you what you can do in the free version. So definitely go and try it out, Gossipgram app in App Store. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So that's like a big aim. So that's that.